We will go to our torque app and check for fault codes, misfires, random misfire, and pendant P1399. Under the hood you'll find this cover. To remove that, you're going to use a washer, a coin, or a screwdriver and turn these guys 90 degrees. 1, 2, and I believe there is a third one, but I don't have it. And then pop the cover. Under the cover you'll find 1, 2, 3 coils. You gotta press the tab on the side and pop the connector. Now using the 6mm Allen, undo these bolts. Now pop all 3 coil packs out. Now using a 5/8 spark plug socket, remove all 3 spark plugs. First spark plug, cylinder number 6. Separate the washer and look at this. Cylinders number 5 and 4. We will be replacing all 6, so I bought these laser platinum, which is OE for this car. Using a spark plug socket, install new spark plugs. We will go to our torque app and check for fault codes. Now we still have these remaining old codes, misfires, random misfire, and pendant P1399. Brand new spark plugs, but it's still puffing and misfiring. Look what I found. If I unplug this coil, engine does not change the way it's running. If I unplug this coil, it changes. So I'm going to replace this coil right here. Got this one from Pep Boys. This is the part number, $50.99. Let's go for a ride. Oh, she sounds beautiful.